Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about trunk VLAN on MLS and also DHCP on MLS. Okay, open the application Cisco Packet Tracer on desktop. Click to tabs. Wait for a minute. The Cisco Packet Tracer application is open. Okay, next. In the previous video, we have learned about how to make VLAN and inter-VLAN on MLS. Now, we will study trunk and DHCP on MLS. Okay, for the topology, we still use the previous video topology. Okay, this file open the previous video topology is VLAN MLS. Okay, wait. This is MLS VLAN. Open. Okay, fast forwarding again. In this topology, finish to configure inter VLAN and VLAN. The example test, VLAN 10 to VLAN 10. Okay, successful VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 or 20 to 10. Okay, successful and 20 to 20. Okay, successful. In configure trunk on MLS is just that we will add one MLS switch and 2N device for inter-VLAN configuration. Okay, method topology. You choose one the switch multi-layer, one and device, or you delete in the MLS 0 change to MLS 1. Okay, this delete. Okay, I'm sorry. In the cable, okay, change to MLS 1. The laptop 2 and laptop 3. Okay, connect the cable. Laptop 2 to multi-layer switch 1, laptop 3 to multi-layer switch 1. And to configure trunk on switch 0 to switch 1 in interface fast Ethernet 03. Okay, fast forward. In switch multi-layer 0, finish the configuration. Next, we will the configuration in multi-layer switch 1. Okay, let's get started. Open the multi-layer switch 1. Open the CLI. And now, the configure again some configure in multi-layer switch 0. Okay, and enable and configure terminal, configure VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and configure mode access on fast Ethernet 01 and get the configure VLAN 10. Okay, up fast Ethernet 02 switch mode access and switch access VLAN 20. Okay, up, exit, and the configure trunk on switch layer 3 or multi-layer switch in interface 03 configuration in layer 2 configuration switch mode trunk, and in switch multi-layer configure encapsulation again, switch port encapsulation, switch port trunk, okay, encapsulation port 1Q, and switch mode trunk. Sum the configure in multi-layer switch 0, open CLI, enable configure terminal, and interface precedence 03 switch port trunk encapsulation.1Q. Okay, switch mode trunk. Okay, finish, do right, and fast forward. Next, ping on laptop 2 and laptop 0. This successful. And laptop 3 to laptop 1 successful again, and VLAN 10 to VLAN 2 in multi-layer switch 1. Okay, successful again. But in multi-layer switch to configure layer 2 and layer 3. In multi-layer switch 1, layer 2 only. No configure layer 3, adding IP address or other. Okay. Next, I want to show you about how to configure DHCP on multi-layer switch. To configure DHCP on multi-layer switch, some in layer 2 switch. Okay, get started to open the multi-layer switch 0 and CLI. In configuration, some the configure switch layer 2. Configure IP DHCP full, example VLAN 10 specie. Okay, you configure network, the network 10.0 and the class. Next, default route. Default route is 10.10.1. Okay, and then a server configure to redirect the Google is 8.8.8.8. Okay, exit the sample test. You open the VLAN 10 desktop. The static move to DHCP. Request IP DHCP. Okay, DHCP request successful. Next, the configure in VLAN 20 to DHCP. IP DHCP pull VLAN 20 network 20.20.0 subnet mask default router 20.1 and configure then a server redirect to Google 8.8. Okay, next, exit, finish, do right. Yes, the DHCP IP address to VLAN 20 on laptop 1, move the desktop IP configuration, the static move to DHCP. Request IP address. Okay, DHCP request successful. In multi-layer switch 1, the client laptop 2, same again to move IP address DHCP. In static move to DHCP. Request IP address, okay, DHCP request successful. And laptop 3, desktop IP configuration, the static move to DHCP. Okay, the DHCP request successful. And last, the testing. Testing VLAN 2, VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 successful. Okay. In VLAN 20 to routers. I'm sorry, multi-layer switch successful. VLAN 10 to multi-layer switch successful. And VLAN 10 to VLAN 10 successful. VLAN 20 to VLAN 20 successful. And VLAN 20 to VLAN 10. Okay, this is successful again. Okay, that's enough for this video, namely trunk and DHCP in multi-layer switch. We will continue the material in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.